Hello, today we're going to be unboxing the Evolution cordless jigsaw and doing the first cut with it. So first off, in this little box we have a spring that I've just thrown on the floor. I'll find that in a minute. Track and an Allen key. It's come with one of their 2 amp hour batteries, so their rapid charger. Now this will charge a 2 amp battery in around 30 minutes and the 8 amp takes about 90 minutes. We have the main jigsaw unit. I believe it says it's 2.3 kilos. The set of instructions is a guide, which is what the spring and the little thing is for, the little edge guide. There is a attachment which will be for dust collection, and there's also a pack of their 5 Evolution multi-material, so it'll cut through metal, wood and everything. Found that spring. There it is. Found the spring, it dropped down one of the MFT holes. So feels quite nice in the hands. It is the traditional D style handle. It has a lever on the side here, which is for locking and unlocking the adjustment plate. It will go 45 degrees in each direction. It has a 1, 2, 3, 4 dial on the side. This will be for the oscillation of the orbital type. 2 holes on the front here. This will be for that little T-nut on the spring for using the edge guide, which would slide in like so. It does not appear to have an actual speed setting. The nice satisfying click of a brand new battery going in. Doesn't actually have a soft start mechanism either. It goes straight into the full speed. I believe the speed is around 2300 RPMs. It will actually cut a full depth of 60 millimeters at 90 degrees. It will cut 6 millimeter in steel. So let's get the blade in and let's have that first cut. To fit the blade, we just pull this little clamp back, insert the blade, and then it's in. First cut. Even though it is a multi-use blade, that actually left a very clean cut on both sides. That is the unboxing of the Evolution cordless jigsaw. Please make sure you like the video, leave any comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Next week I shall be doing a full run through on how to use the jigsaw and some tips for using jigsaws. Thank you for watching.